Potentiometer, pot, variable resistor. A potentiometer is a three-terminal resistor with a variable resistance, commonly used to control voltage and adjust signal levels in electronic circuits. Types of potentiometers. Rotary potentiometer, adjusted by rotating a knob, e.g. volume control in radios. Linear potentiometer, slide pot, adjusted by sliding a lever, e.g. audio mixing consoles. Digital potentiometer, electronic version controlled by microcontrollers instead of manual adjustment. Working principle. A potentiometer has a fixed resistive track, carbon, wire wound or conductive plastic, a wiper, slider or knob that moves across the track, changing resistance. 3 terminals, 2 end terminals, connected to a voltage source and ground. A middle terminal, wiper, which provides an adjustable output voltage. Applications of potentiometers: volume control in audio devices, brightness control in display screens, position sensors in joysticks and control systems, adjustable voltage dividers in circuits.